I'm Ryan. I am a Worcester Public Library Youth Services librarian. If you're like me, you're getting awfully sick of wearing masks like this one. But this month, for our take-home craft, I have a much more fun mask. It looks like this. Pretty silly, right? But if you grab your kit from one of our 7 branches, I will explain to you in this video how we can decorate masks like this and make them fun, festive fall masks. Whether you celebrate Halloween, you just love the season of fall, or you just want to have something fun to make and wear around the house, this is your place for that. So let's get started. Here is your craft bag that you have received. Let's look inside and let's see exactly what's in here. So, we have a little info sheet that kind of goes over things a bit for you. I'm going to encourage people, if you make a mask, please share it with us. I love to see what our friends have created. We can share it on our Facebook and perhaps even on our upcoming blog. So I encourage people to reach out with pictures of what they made. Okay, so we have your mask, of course, 10 sheets of construction paper, got some tissue paper, and a little baggie of what I call fixins, a little sampling of things that you can use to decorate your mask with. So I give everyone some fall leaves, and they're fake leaves unfortunately, but it's probably our best bet for that. We've got sequins, we've got pom-poms, you should have popsicle sticks, some feathers, all types of stuff, and that's just to get you started. Now, you don't even need to use what we gave you, but for those that don't have craft supplies around their house, this should be enough to help you make something that you enjoy. I encourage people to use whatever else you have around your house for craft stuff and explore, experiment, really make whatever you like. This is for you to harness any creative energy you have and make something, whether it's for Halloween or really for anything. Yeah, please use your imagination and go wild. All right, next I'm going to show you how I'm going to make my personal mask. Right. Well, if you're like me and you love the fall and you love crunchy leaves, why not make a crunchy leaf mask? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of our tissue paper. I'm going to chop this up. I'm going to start gluing it to my mask. Now these are made out of felt. And it's pretty solid. It's not like the kind of woolly felt that you might think of. So I think most craft glues are going to help you attach whatever you need. Tacky glue is probably the best, or if you have a hot glue gun, that will definitely do the trick. Although if you are a child, please make sure that you're having an adult do that for you, because you can burn your fingers and that is no fun at all. So if you use a hot glue gun, be very careful. But myself, I'm going to stick to tacky glue. So let's get started. So let's have a look and see what mine is looking like so far. Okay, not too bad. We're getting started. You can see I got a layer of tissue paper around the mask. I put tacky glue on first and just kind of ripped up some tissue paper and stuck that on. It's still wet, so I'm going to be very careful, but haha. Okay, this is promising. I'm excited to see how this mask shapes up. I think next I'm going to glue on my decorative leaves. So let's see how that turns out. Folks, here's my mask in all of its leafy glory. What do you think? Pretty cool, huh? I'm actually kind of proud of this. I think this looks really cool. The glue is still drying, so I got to be very careful. But yeah, this was all tacky glue, tissue paper, and the decorative leaves that I included with you. So it's pretty simple, and it already looks really cool. So just imagine if you were to glue sequins on, or any number of things. It doesn't take a lot to make your mask looking really cool. So this is what I made. If you guys made spooky Halloween masks, please send them our way. Dia de Muertos, which is coming up. You could also use this as a base to build like a sugar skull mask if you were ambitious. Yeah, I mean, you can use this as a foundation for a full face mask if you wanted. It's just, it's just a simple eye mask. So yeah, please have a lot of fun with this. Send us all of your submissions. We'd love to see what you guys make. And yeah, stay tuned for next month's craft. So excited to get the crafting happening again at the library. I miss everyone, and everyone be safe. Happy fall holidays, and we will see you when we see you. All right, signing off. This is Ryan. Everyone take care. Bye.